Hi, I'm Jens from AUTOOL technology company, from the overseas sales department. We are here today in Shanghai at the Automechanika show. It's booming already, many people are joining. So I will go inside, let's take a look together, guys. Wow, so many people are joining. Let's queue up, come on. Okay. Hi, here we are at our booth. Come and take a look. What a booming exhibition. Now finally I have time to introduce you our latest walnut and carbon cleaner, HTS 728. This machine cleans safely, environmental friendly carbon deposit. You use it to clean the inside of the engine and the cylinder walls by spraying high pressure walnut particles. The walnut sand and carbon mixture is then collected into the machine. It comes with a built-in filter to recycle the walnut particles. The advantage is that you don't need to dismantle the engine. It makes it cost-efficient, quick and safe, and reliable. In the next video, our technician will show you how to use it. Fresh out of the developing department, let me introduce you our latest power supply inverter, EM385. The model is designed for 12-volt lead-acid batteries and lithium batteries. The main function for our customer is that it comes with an emergency startup when the battery is in a power loss state. The inverter comes with a showroom modus, it charges and repairs battery. It always provides a stable voltage to the car battery during software updates. Additionally, it serves as a reliable power source for car maintenance.